In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a fake WhatsApp account. I guarantee that this video will work for you, but you must watch the full video to understand the complete procedure. So let's jump to the video. First of all, you need to open your internet browser, and in the search bar, you need to type TEMPSMSS. Click on this first link. From this website, you can select the number on which your fake WhatsApp account will be created. So I will be going with the USA. Here you will see a lot of numbers that you can use to create a fake WhatsApp account. Select any number and click on it. And then click on this copy option. Okay, the number is now copied. So open WhatsApp. Click on agree and continue. Select use a different number. First enter the USA code and then paste the phone number here. Click on next. Click on continue. Now go back to your internet browser. Click on this refresh to view latest SMS option and you will receive the OTP code. Once the OTP code is received, you will have to paste it here. And once the OTP is pasted here, your account will be created. However, in some cases, the phone number is already registered. So in that case, what you need to do is to try a different number. In this way, you can create a fake WhatsApp account. So that was it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.